So these are the narrow parts of all Mombasa, the narrow streets of all Mombasa. But you see on the other side right here, they're trying to upgrade it, build some new houses, strong pillars, raised rooftops. And you see right here, you see these windows right here, they look old, just an old version, old version. So they're trying to build some new houses right here. Look,
this road looks like the one in Lamu.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very narrow.
Look this place. So these are the real streets of old Mombasa and very narrow. So you can see right here. Yeah. So they look for Lamu. I've never been in.
Lamu has narrow roads.
Yes, Lamu has narrow roads.
Yeah, it resembles this road in Old Town.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. So you see right this place right here, guys. Yeah, it's called Old Town. Look. It's very old indeed. Look. Hey. Look, even this tuk-tuks right here. So we should go this way. So as I told you guys, most of the houses here in Mombasa are just built with these things right here, you see. As if you know the meaning of this place right here, of these structures, kindly let me know. I really appreciate. You see even this place right here, some old doors right here. It's called Old Mombasa, you see. Look at their balconies. So this was the balcony. Timber.
It's unique.
It's very unique. Looks unique. Look at this place right here, you see. Very old. So these houses looks unique, you see. So are we lost? You see at this place right here. So this place, maybe you should turn. This is a road. You see. Maybe you should head to these people where they're just going. And that guy is like, see up to that place down there. That's a nice place. You see. We are exploring the old Mombasa. Look at this. Even this house right here looks like it's just falling. Look. You should be very careful in these streets. This house right here, up that place. Look. These places right here look very calm, very calm. So this was Mombasa before Mombasa is, you see. Old houses, old version. Look at this right here. So that's a painting. With me, I'm very shocked how they were building this house. So this is called Imani Collectives. You see right here. So this road heads to the main road. So there are construction ongoing right here. Yeah. So look, this and that house look like that. So this place is trying to be upgraded, guys. As you see, they're trying to dig some places where they can release some garbages and what you call like sewage. You see, they're trying to build some amazing places. You see, right here. So look, guys, this place look unique. You see at this balcony. So the balconies were lifted up and were being supported by what we call like those timbers. So the timbers used to support those what we call like the balcony. So the house look very unique. You see, very unique up to that place right there, and it's very strong up to date. So these houses you see here, they have more than 100 years. Look right here, man, look at this place. So these are the architecture, the African paintings. Look, I'm trying to show you the reality of these streets right here. It's called Mamacita's Utamaduni Curio Shop right there, Mamacita's. So you can come there, shop, look. It's just a nice, another vibe, look. So you see even from this place right here, you see. Look at the balcony, supported with, those are the pillars of the balcony, timbers. With me, I don't know what are those timbers about, you see. You see right here. Right there's the guy who paints. No. Hi, Baba. Salama. So you see right here. Maybe I should get... So guys, this is the guy who paints those pictures, nice pictures you see right here. Yeah. He's very keen on these drawings right here, you see. Yes.
How much is that?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
6,000.
That's 6,000 right here. That's $60 guys. Maybe this one right here. Asante lakini, asante. Ngoja tunyoke huko. So you see these houses right here, they are too old guys. They have more than 100 years right here, you see. Look at their doors. Look. These doors that goes this way. I don't know what's the meaning of these, but most of the Arabic or Portuguese houses up to date, maybe even you see some Catholic houses, mostly when they build a house or a church, they have to do this way, to go around this way. So most of our Catholic churches, they build this way. So most of the windows, all what you call like the doors, they are this way. Yeah, this way right here, you see. It looks very old, very old. Look up to this place right here. So even the windows up there, look. Yeah, so if you know what's the meaning of that, kindly hit me, tell me up at the comment section. So you see this house is very old, very old. Look, it's called Aris Curio Market right here. But nowadays it's just like big padlocks there. So this is Ndiaku. Ndiaku means Ndiaku. So look. Wow, look at the door. Look. But nowadays they have huge padlocks, because it seems like the government tried to tell them to get out of this place, those buildings, because they are too old. Look, man, just an amazing, another vibe. It's just another vibe, you see. Yeah, so we are heading this way. So that one is Fort Jesus from afar. Yeah, so that's Fort Jesus from afar. And right here is where you can have a juice, a nice amazing juice. Do you like juice?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gonna have a juice right here, you see. We have amazing juice right here. We have bananas, watermelon, mangoes right here. We have what we call like pineapple. So with me I wanna have my juice right here. See you, bro. Yeah, you're taking them around. So I just met with my friend right here, Aga. Yes. For sure. I just met with my friend Aga Khan. Peace, bro. Yes, I met my friend right there. It's called Aga Khan right there. So it has been really nice, a long journey. Right here, our juice. So Aga Khan is taking those people to the old town. Right there, you see? Yes. It's called Feeding the Nation right here. Just amazing, look. Old Mombasa. So this was Mombasa before Mombasa could be Mombasa. It was very nice, very good. It was an amazing place. So, yeah. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about this place. If it's your very first time, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this place. So you see at those narrow streets of Mombasa, and also this place right here. It's called Baraka Highway in Ndiaku. Nice place to be. What's up guys? So this is old Mombasa town right here. If it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. And if it was your very first time, subscribe, ensure you have given this video a like for a village boy. It's just a nice and amazing place to be. Kindly come here, visit at Mombasa. It's just a nice place, you know. Yeah, so let me see the next amazing content right here. Bye.